my bikes. What if they make a Honda? Yeah,
All right, first visitors to the land.
Jackie.
Andy, Jack, John. All right, I'm gonna go up there, I'm gonna give them a tour, get their opinions, get their ideas, get this land set up. But before we do that, bikes, 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 bikes. This is what it's all about. What a day. What a
Beautiful out.
What a day.
John's gonna tumble down.
Yeah, so come with me, I'll show you kind of where. Yeah, he said it'd be hard as shit to drive the bikes up here. You see what I mean, Jack? Like we'll have to do a clearing.
That's a pretty good spot right here.
Yeah, so you'll see. So you'll see. I've just put a small container here already. Ah, geek, you took the hard way.
Yeah, apparently. There you go.
All right, visitor number one, John. What you think, buddy?
Dude, this is nice. I love it. Crazy views. Quiet. It's good stuff.
Yeah, we'll get it going, man. What about you, Jack?
I can't get over how nice it is. Really, it's super nice, and then it's got a ton of potential.
Yeah. That's why, like, when I first came, I'll be honest, like, you know, you almost imagine that you get something that's already set to go. You know, the land would be flat and everything. So when I came here, I was like, man, this is hard. You know, this is raw land. It's
It's fun getting here.
It's fun getting here, but I was like, I can't right off the rip. I can't even like pitch a tent. It's too steep. I was like, I'm not sure. And then I just sat here for about an hour, and I was like, I just took it in. I was like, man. Then the potential started to come in.
So nice.
What you think, Geek? You like your new piece of land?
Yeah, I've got my buddy's a landowner.
You know?
So I'm like,
Yeah, all those.
I'm part rich.
There we go, and there's the views. Check out this day. Ah, man. What a beauty. All right, let's get some real American barbecue, country style.
Dude, I know pork pretty well. That's pork.
I was wondering how,
I'm sorry guys about that.
No problem. Oh, that's okay. No problem.
I was like wondering how you guys were so fast.
And they just handed it to you.
And I was like, I got the chicken sandwich, it's the easiest.
How did I not know that?
Dude, they just handed it like
Yeah, but
They said your names too.
I
I think he said John. Yeah, I think his name's John.
Is your name John?
I have no idea. I don't know how it happened. Pork's good though. All right. That's hot sauces. Dude.
Oh, you buy hot sauce on it.
Yeah, it's how spicy as it gets.
You order it that way.
Ooh, it's spicy. Ooh. Yeah, I was showing Heather those. We had just got done watching some damn movie with that Idris Elba. I don't remember the name of it. The Beast or something.
Beast,
I saw that.
The line was
Yeah. And I'm showing Heather the pictures from your trip. And Heather goes, those tents? I said, yeah. She goes, aren't you in South Africa? I said, babe, I don't know. I hear you. I hear where you're coming from. That seems like chancing a little bit.
Yeah, no. There's a fence around like this.
Oh, okay. Oh my God, who got the beans? Those are so good.
Thanks, Vito.
Those beans are delicious.
Ooh, we're going to eat clean out here.
Just a second.
What's up, Jack? Yeah, this is the Toccoa River. This is what I was saying, how it's so real close to the land. What was that, about 15-minute ride for us? If that, huh?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to get into fishing. We're gonna have to get into learning how to take full advantage of this river.
So nice.